in case kamu Yesilo, but you can call me Yesi or Yesi, okay? And today we are going to discuss about phonology, and the topic is about the basic concept of phonology. Okay, to further, sorry. Now let's attack your feeling. How are you today? Please mention your name. For example, how are you today? Okay, I am Yesi, and today I'm great. Like that. Please express what you feel. You can say great or happy or wonderful or excited or sad maybe. Okay, let me start from the corner. How are you today? Please mention your name and also your feeling. Actually, what makes you happy? Wait. Alright, great. And then next. Happy, alright. And then? Yeah, happy. Nice to see you, Kak Ola. And then next. Oh, what happened with you? Oh, sorry. Alright. And then next, please.
Hello, my name is Alba. My name is very tired
Hopefully you will get the best of this. And then
my name is Andrea.
nice, okay. And then
Hello, my name is Vijay.
okay, next. Okay, a bit tired. What makes you tired actually? Maybe you can explain to us what makes you tired. Oh, yeah. So, okay, you part-time. Okay. Yeah, good luck ya. When I was in my undergrad student, I also part-time, doing part-time. So in the morning until afternoon, I should go to campus and then do some class or lecture, and then after that, I should go to break. Yeah, to sounds fun. And then next, please. Alright, wonderful. And then good, feeling good. It is Corona era, yeah. This is it's very viral, the song. Yeah, the song is very viral and it was Corona era. And then feeling good also. Okay. Next class. Yeah, hello.
You can call me Adam, and happy.
Happy, and you know your better. Okay, alright, so there's no one who is angry, yeah. All of you are happy and also excited, not sad, yeah. Maybe because of the honor. Okay, thank you. So, today we are going to discuss about phonology. So, if we learn English language, maybe we can go phonetic, phonology, or phonetic syntax, that's the branch of language or in linguistic. But today our focus is phonology. So what is phonology? This is the study of sound system and patterns. Phonology comes from the word phone, yeah, phone, microphone, phone or sound, and also logos. Logos means the patterns or system. So it is the sound system or patterns of sound, the study of sound. And here is our outline today. We are going to discuss about phonetic and also voice and voiceless sound, and also the list of articulation. Yeah. Okay. if we talk about the phonetics, what is phonetics? Phonetic is the study of characteristic of speech sound. Please highlight here, we are going to study about the speech sound. Yeah, how the sound are produced. Actually, there are types of phonetic. Yeah. The first one is articulatory phonetic, and the second one acoustic phonetic, and also auditory phonetic. What makes the difference? The first one, articulatory phonetic, atau phonetic artikulasi, the study of how speech sound are made. So it is focused on the speech sound, how we produce sound. Different with acoustic phonetic. Acoustic phonetic here, it deals with the physical properties of speech as sound wave in the air. Acoustic is about the transmission, how the sound transmit from the speaker to the listener. And then the next one, auditory phonetic. Auditory phonetic deals with the perception, penerimaan, perception via the ear of speech sound. So it also relates with the linguistic or doctoral or medicine, medical treatment. Maybe there is someone who has problem with their perception, masalah seperti apa? Nah ini pembahasan auditory. To make you easier, nah this is the figure or illustration or the difference between articulatory phonetic and also acoustic phonetic and also auditory phonetic. Like in the previous slide, they are different. If it relates with the production of sound, it relates with the articulatory. If it relates with the transmission here, it means it is acoustic phonetic because of transmission. And if it is perception, penerimaan, it deals with the auditory phonetic. Any point? Okay. So in linguistic, we focus on articulatory because we focus on sound production. Yes, speech sound harmony. Okay, let's do some review about phonetic, the phonetic symbol. If you have QR barcodes, you can scan. But I will open this in Google. Because you already learned about the phonetic symbol in pronunciation class maybe. So let's do a short review. What do you think about this one? Okay, it's April. Nice, it's correct. What is this? Orange. Okay, great. What do you think? Okay, it's very easy. Okay. What do you think? Good. Next one. Strawberry. All right. Strawberry. Ear. Great. What about the next? Grape. Next one. Pineapple. All right. Peach. Yeah. All right. voice. So, the next one. Please, do you know Adam's apple? Adam's apple, cakul ya. Adam's apple part of your line, you can feel in your neck, below your chin. To make easier to decide which one is voice and which one is voiceless sound, so you can feel your Adam's apple here, Adam's apple, and then please try to pronounce. For example, when you pronounce, is it vibration? Yeah. Is there vibration? Yeah. If there is vibration, so it means that the sound it is voice sound because it is a vibration. But if there is no vibration when you pronounce, so it means it is voiceless sound. Okay, let me give you an example. When you pronounce, let's try. Is it vibration? And now after you pronounce, and then yes. Is that vibration? So it means S, it is voiceless sound. What about the Z? It's voice sound. Yeah. So it's how to decide what is voiceless and voice. And then when you pronounce V and also F and V, yeah. When you pronounce V letter, there is a vibration V. When you pronounce, after you pronounce and then you can feel the difference, right? Okay. Here are some examples of unvoiced or voiceless and voiced with vibration. Okay, let me go to the next previous one. Voice consonant, are produced by vibrating the vocal cords. There is a vibration. The point is here. And while voiceless consonant are produced by using air, means that there is no vibration. Okay, now let's try. And then you can try your feel your Adam's apple. Back, down, hip, sit, on, chin, fit, pressure. Ini agak berat. Back, go, hip, sit, join. Okay, sorry, down. G, in the beginning, the initial word are unvoiced, and here the initial word are voiced. Okay, the point? Okay. Now the next one we are going to talk about the list of articulation. It's a bit there are eight that we are going to discuss today. Okay, before we go to our discussion, would you please try to find out what is articulation? What is articulation? Maybe you can search on Google, or maybe someone here know the answer. What do you know about articulation? Apa itu artikulasi? Apa itu articulation? Proses menghasilkan bunyi. Okay, excellent. What could you convert into English? Could you translate into English? Could you please proses menghasilkan bunyi? What is English? Yes? Pardon? The production of speech sound. Excellent, exactly. So articulation means the production of speech sounds. Ya. Kalau misalnya teman-teman pernah nggak belajar pidato? Have you ever learn about speech? Pasti pelatihan artikulasinya itu atau bernyanyi gitu ya. Bernyanyi, when you are singing or when you are doing speech, you must have clear articulation. Kalau misalnya ini jelas, so you must have clear articulation how you produce sound. And the first one, we are going to discuss about bilabial. Bilabial. It's from the word bi means to, labial Okay, from those two part of articulation, please guess what is this? What is this? Please guess. It belongs to bilabial or labiodental? Good job. Ya, apa? Bilabial. Okay, what about fan? Labio? Ya, labiodental. And also light. Labiodental. Okay, remember ya? Okay, and then dental. What is dental? Dental sound is made by touching the front of the tongue, ya, front of the tongue with the upper teeth. For example, in English, written like sorry, and also there. So it means that your tongue, upper tongue, hit with the upper teeth. There. Sorry. That's dental. Okay, let's pronounce together. That. This. Sorry. Okay, please make it different between you pronounce sorry. Sorry means forward, but sorry is sorry. Because between sorry and sorry. And then the fee. Okay. The next one, alveolars. Alveolars is consonant sound made by touching or placing the tongue close to the alveolar ridge, which is the ridge behind the teeth on the roof of the mouth. Belakangnya di atas, alveolar ridge. Ya. The term alveolar comes from the word alveoli, which refers to the socket of the teeth. The initial is top deep sit zuna, ya. Top deep sit zuna. Top deep sit zuna. Please try to pronounce t, ya. Lidahnya menyentuh kami belakangnya di atas. T, d. Nah, itu namanya alveolar. T, d, s, ya. Nah, t and d it is voiceless and d. Ini voice sound. Nah, this is another example. T in the word top, D in the word dog, L in the word love, N in the word no, S in the word see, zoo, right. And then palatal. What is palatal? Palatal consonant is a speech sound made by raising the middle of the tongue against the hard palate, palate yang keras, which is the roof of the mouth. Ya. Palatal sound are known in English as a which is usually spelled E as in Dutch, yes, young, or part of the sequence U, represented by the letter U in the word like useful, computer, U or it's palatal. So remember, U is palatal. Okay, U palatal. Okay, now the next one, we have palatal alveolar, or you can say alveopalatal, or you also can say post alveolar. They have same Now this is the illustration. I like this view because it has illustration. Okay, let me replay again. Good, yeah. Illustration like this. Good. Like this. Then so. 15 minutes enough, yeah? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, yeah? Okay, 10 minutes. Voice or voiceless? Right version or not? You can try. Yes, of course. It is voice sound. Okay, the next.
Voiceless.
Good job. Mark, voiceless. Next.
Smack is voiceless.
Alright, smack is voiceless. The next.
Flex is voiceless.
Nice. It's voiceless. Next. Voiceless. Voice or voiceless? Yes, it is voice sound. Belongs to voice sound. And then the next. Okay. Voice sound. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's voice sound. Nice. Okay, from number 2. How many mistakes do you have? Salah satu? False one? Yang salah satu ada? Salah dua? Salah tiga? Itu semua? Wah, excellent. Okay, sudah semua. Alright, let's analyze number 3. This is the initial. So initial means that the beginning of the word, of the letter of the word, beginning letter of the word. Alright, continue. Feller. Alright, it's feller. Next. Chip, yeah, chip. Okay, chip. Alveolar. Alveolar. Okay. Chip sound. Next. Okay, food. Yeah. It's labiodental. Next. Next.
Kira.
Yeah, number D. Groove. What is it? What's the answer?
Kira.
Okay, it's great, Feller. Nice. And then? Okay, it's the easiest, yeah, local. Hen, house, and also moose. And then? That's all? Back to the first one. F is, which one? like this. So you just type the articulation, and also you can type the articulation. What are the components like that? So you can use the mind mapping. I think that's for the class today. Actually, there are so many applications, and then now the last agenda today. Let's do the short review about our material today. I have a quiz for you. Okay. Which of these consonant is not violent? Not violent, is it? Okay, nice. Alright. And then on the next. The list of articulation of the first consonant sound is think. In think. What is think? First consonant, think. Dental? Okay, let's see. Alright. Excellent. Okay, what about the next one? Choose. First consonant, choose. Choose. Kalau tahu? Alright. Good job. The first consonant, yes. Apa? Alveolar. It should be valid. Okay. How many syllables are there in calculate? Syllable. Syllable, not letter ya? Three. Calculate ya. Kalau letter 1, 2, 3, 4 itu letternya how many? In English, waktu phonetic transcription, what is this? Rich. This one? Rich. Yang mana? Rich is this, ya. Rich. What is this? A, B, C, D. Yeah, which one? D. The last D. It means D, yeah. A, nice. The next. The last consonant in the word bilabial. Okay, correct. Yeah. Two lips meet together. Which sound is alveolar? What do you think? Mau see first consonant ya first. Geni or Chena or Norway? Norway? Let's see. Wow! Correct. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's all for our. Oh, ini ada ya. Oh, Island. Two ya.